Hello guys, welcome back to Bhavsec YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the best free cybersecurity certifications and courses which you should do before spending money on industry level certifications such as Security Plus, CEH, etc. So let's get started with today's first website, and that's Cisco Networking Academy. This website provides a lot of cybersecurity courses for free. Just go down and you will see a list of all the courses which you can do right now for free. And these courses are made up for beginner levels, intermediates and advanced level students. Just click on learn more to see what's inside this course. The length of this course is 15 hours and the course is totally free. And the level is for beginners. After completing this course, you will also earn a Networking Academy badge, which you can put on your social media profiles or LinkedIn to show that you have completed this course. Just scroll down and you will see that after completing this course, you will also get a certificate of completion, which you can put on your resume. And after enrolling to this course, you will also get a coursework which you have to complete. And if you are stuck somewhere, you need any help, you can take help from online student forums. So let's go back and see another course on this website, and that's Cybersecurity Essentials. Click on learn more and it's showing length is 30 hours, cost free and level is for intermediate. You will also get a certificate at completion of this course. And this course is made for students who are preparing for CCNA and Cyber Ops Associate certifications. And Cisco has now become a brand in the industries while getting a job. If you even have a free certificate of Cisco, which will be totally recognized by the companies. Let's move forward to the next certification, and that's the Fortinet Network Security Expert Program. This program contains NSC level 1, 2 and 3 certifications as associate level, then professional for 4, analyst, specialist, architect and expert. You can do first and second for free. Here are all the benefits which you will get after getting this certification. You will also get a free certificate at the last of completing this free training. So let's move forward to the next course, and that's ICS Cybersecurity Threats by US Department of Homeland Security. This course is totally available for free. After completing this course, you can describe attacker tools and techniques, discuss threat trends for industrial control systems, and etc. So according to me, you should have a certificate from US Department of Homeland Security for sure. So let's move forward to our next courses on list, and that's SANS Cyber Aces online courses by SANS Institute, and this course is free. You will learn about various foundation areas of information security such as operating systems, networking, and system administration. There are all the modules which are in deep. And you should do this certificate for sure. Let's move forward to our next certification website, and that's Tenable University. This website provides a lot of certificates, for example, Tenable.io, Nessus, Tenable.sc. Tenable is a company which developed a popular network security and web application security scanner, and that's Nessus. And you should definitely go for this certification because Tenable has become a really good leader in industries of vulnerability scanning and penetration testing scanners. Let's move forward to our next course, and that's Introduction to Cybersecurity by Palo Alto Networks. And after doing this course, you can also prepare for Palo Alto Networks Certified Cybersecurity Associate certification. Here are all the modules which are gonna cover in this course. Introduction to Cybersecurity, Overview of Cybersecurity, Attack Types and Techniques, Network Security Models, Cloud Security, Endpoint Security, and a lot more. So I will recommend you must have this certification from Palo Alto based company in United States for sure. So let's see what's in our list next, and that's Cloud Security courses from Coursera. Coursera provides cloud security certifications for free such as Industrial IoT, Google Cloud Platform, Google Cloud Platform Fundamentals for AWS Professionals, Developing AI Applications on Azure, and a lot more. The Coursera has also been tied up with Google and AWS. So I will recommend you must have these certifications and you should have completed these trainings for better understandings of each and every topic about cloud security. So let's move forward to our next website, and that's Microsoft Azure Training 900 Fundamentals for Education. In this Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certifications, here are all the modules which are gonna be covered, such as Introduction, Cloud Concepts, Cloud Azure Services, Security, Privacy, Compliance and Trust, and a lot more. And here are all the trainings which you can register for now. Having a Microsoft certification is really good for our profiles, so you should go for this one. Let's see our next certification, that's Fundamentals of Red Hat Enterprise Linux by EDX. This certification is available for free, and you can see 50,000 people has already been enrolled in this free course. This is an introductory level course which will teach you about Linux, and here are all the things which you can learn, for example accessing the command line, creating, view, edit files, manage local Linux and user groups, install and update softwares. And here is all the syllabus which will required for you to get certified for the Red Hat. If you are a total beginner for Linux, this is the best cybersecurity course you can do to gain more and more knowledge. So that's all for today guys. I will provide you link to all the cybersecurity courses and certifications down in the description, and if you have any queries you can comment down below or ask on my Instagram profile.